Hey everyone, this is again Juvie, who is always trying hard to give you grammar tips and English lessons. I do hope everyone is safe today with our hopes and minds that this pandemic will be over soon. Before we are going to start with grammar tip number 2, let me thank first everyone, especially those who have subscribed to my channel, to my friends and family out there, and my new friends. It was from 12 subscribers now to 90 subscribers. So thank you so much for that. I'll be always trying hard to give you grammar tips and other inspirational videos. So now, we are going to talk about modals. The modals should and
Must.
which is more appropriate? I should apologize or must I apologize?
Let us define first what is a modal verb. A modal verb is a type of verb that is used to indicate modality like ability, permission, likelihood, request, capacity, suggestion, order, obligation, or advice. Now let's focus on modals should and must. Should is used to give advice or opinion. Must is used to say that it is necessary to do something. And now we have example of sentence using should that gives advice. You look tired. You should go to bed. This sentence means that you're giving advice to that someone to take a rest because it's the right thing to do and it's a good thing to do for him to take a rest and go to bed. Now, as I've promised, we're going to integrate the modal should to the secret of a healthy living.
And now let's go to our lesson integration. And one of the 8 secrets to a healthy living is taking a good rest. So friends, if you are tired from work and tired from your everyday activities, then you should take a good rest, especially sleeping before 10 in the evening.
The next modal is modal must. Must indicates necessity to do something. For example, attendance is a must. In the sentence, it is necessary to attend the meeting because if you won't, something unpleasant will happen. You could be fined or you could be reprimanded by your boss or whoever else. And now, let's integrate musts with the secret to a healthy living.
The next secret to a healthy living is food. And what kind of food? Basically, they're fruits and vegetables. So we had the sentence, these medicine must be taken with food. It means that it is absolutely necessary for him to take first food or to eat first before taking the medicine. Because if you won't, then something unpleasant will happen. And of course, we don't want that to happen. So we must follow instructions. We must follow prescriptions, especially on taking medicines.
These are now the similarity and difference between should and musts. Should and must are similar in indicating or giving advice. For the difference, must is stronger in meaning than should. Meaning to say, must is saying that something is absolutely necessary to be done, while should indicates that you give advice because it's the right thing to do and it's the good thing to do.
And so I asked you in the beginning of this video which sentence is more appropriate. Is it I should apologize or I must apologize? The answer is both are correct. Actually, we can use them both depending on what meaning and what situation we are into. If you mean that it's a good thing and the right thing to do, then we say I should apologize. And if you mean that you don't have a choice but to apologize, so then we say we must apologize. Whatever reasons you have, and it leaves you no option but to apologize, then we say we must apologize. So there you have it. It depends on what you are going to use, on what meaning you're going to convey. And there we're done with our grammar tip number 2 with the lesson integration of the 2 secrets to a healthy living, which are taking a good rest and eating healthful food. We have 6 more coming, so hope to see you next Sunday. Please don't forget to subscribe.